Molweni Bafundi, we conclude chapter 17, and you will remember in the previous lesson we read about how the letter had arrived at Menzile's house, and it was read, or was going to be read to him by this young boy Bhityile, who had brought it. So here we go. Bathi cwaka ngoku. They remained silent now, ba mamela, and listened to Bhityile efunda as he read that letter as follows. Literally, Yaisiti, which was saying, Tata othandekayo, dearest Tata, ndisebuhlungwini obukhulu eMonti. I am in big trouble in East London. I am miserable. I am very miserable in East London. Ndafika apha, I arrived here. Ndafikela, and I arrived in a place, ekungazini, where I knew no one, and it was a strange place. Zazingekho zonke izihlobo zam, and none of my friends were here. Ndaya kuhlala, and I went to stay kudade bomqwebedu, at the sister of Mqwebedu Luzipho. Ndasiwa nguye apho, I was taken there nguye by him. Akuba, when endifumene, he had found me esitishini, at the station, ndidinga, in need, mhla, the day ndafika, I arrived. Wathi kum, he said to me, uyandifuna, that he wanted me, and that ukuba ndibe ngumfazi wakhe, that he wanted me to become, to become his wife. Ndavuma nam ke tata, and so I agreed. Unangoku, to date, up until now, akazange andichate. He has not married me. Undonile, literally he has sinned me, but he has made me pregnant. Andizazi apho mandiye khona, and I don't know where to go. I don't know mandiye khona, where I must go. Ndiyoyika ukugoduka. I'm afraid, or I'm scared to go home. Ndinone kakhulu bazali bam. I have let you down very badly, my parents. Owenu umntwana olusizi, your poor child, Weziwe mqadi. Ubhityile wothuswa. Bhityile was startled, sisitonga, by the loud noise, by the crash, sokuwa kukaMenzile, of Menzile collapsing. Wawa apho, he collapsed there. Wathetha nje, and all he said was, makangeniswe endlwini, was that he should be taken inside the house. Wangeniswa, he was taken inside, waphela, and he died. Ebulawa sisifo senhliziyo, having been killed by the heart ailment, esavuswa, which had been aggravated, gumothuko, by the shock wokuva of hearing ezondaba, that news zika Weziwe, of Weziwe. Kwabanjalo ke, and so that was how ukufa for Kamqadi, and that was how the death of Mr. Mqadi, or of Weziwe, of Menzile, came about. Baninzi abazali, there are many parents abafa, who die ngolu hlobo, in this manner. Ababulawa, who are killed literally ngabantwana babo, by their children. Kwathi kwakamsinyane, shortly after that, or very soon, emva kokubhubha kukaMenzile, after Menzile's death, wabhubha naye uGakhulu. Gakhulu also died. Washiyeka uNojaji yedwa, and Nojaji was left alone. That then is the end of chapter 17. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.